What's up guys, it's back to KB Gamer YT and I'm going to be showing you in Scratch how to make smooth movement in Scratch. Let's get started. Well, first, as usual, you will need a one green flag collect. Then you may think we're just adding a forever loop and then four if then blocks, but let's just do then one sec. This guys is not how you are supposed to do it, like no way. No. Change expert minus 10. This guy is just like not even smooth at all. Like you just do like damn, that is not smooth. It just like stops immediately when I let go. That is not good. I'm going to be sorting out today, guys, and we are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. First, we will need to remove these two blocks, and we will need a variable, and that variable it can be for Allspice or for the sprite only. But we are using it for the cat only, so we're going to do horizontal. Well, just make a run for like I don't horizontal speed. Okay, now we will need to get the horizontal speed. Okay, now so as we need to, I want below the web green flag link, we set the horizontal speed to 0. Now, we just need to change the horizontal speed by 1, -1, so a negative number, and then if it's left, because we're going left, and then that's negative in Scratch. But then in right, we are going to do a positive number, 1. So now, then at the end of the forever loop, we are going to be doing change x. It has to be like in the forever loop, but after the second if then by horizontal speed. So now you can see a little change here. Like it moves so smoothly. But now I just want to see that. Look at this. If I just make it size like this, something, it just keeps going faster. It doesn't stop going faster, faster. How to make a limit for that, guys? It's gonna be simple. Wait, no. Wait. We are going to be making another variable called max speed. Now with max speed, we are going to be starting with set max speed to 0. No, to a given number. Like if we can do, this is how fast your horizontal speed is the limit of, and let's do 10. Now we are going to be adding 2 more if then blocks bound to be done. So now we are going to get another if block for the right arrow key. Now we're going to get the greater than block, so this one where it's pointing left. Get horizontal speed is bigger than the max speed, which we are not going to do that. It will then set horizontal speed to max speed. Then now we are going to be snapping this piece of chunk. If you see my finger, it's like in the second if block, but underneath change horizontal by 1. Now I'm using it like change like underneath the second change horizontal by positive number 1. And it has to be like in the starting from in the forever loop. Then the if block is still has, yeah. But okay, now what we are going to be doing now, if you just check it out, that now when we start, it has a limit. Like you can see, the max speed is 10, so it is not going over 10. It's staying. It's not going far. But now we are going to be doing the left side. Let's just remove the max speed, but keep on the horizontal speed. I'm going to keep it on just for you guys to understand it more. Now we are going to be doing another if block, but it's not the same as this, very different. We are going to be doing if, we're going to get the less than operator, guys, the less than operator. So, this, yeah, this one, so pointing to 50. Now we are going to be doing same thing, max speed, and then horizontal speed. Then we are going to be no so we're going to, instead of doing that, we're going to be doing the minus operator, putting it there. In the first block, we're putting in 0 and then max speed. Okay, something like that. Then we just put, then we duplicate, then we get change horizontal speed by this. So we duplicate it, the minus like right, you can see guys, right like this, just much of it. Now, where are we going to be putting this, guys? So we are going to put, I'm zooming in on that. So now we are going to play as guys. Okay, now you may see this one is done. Now we're going to the upper one, which is here. Now we're going to be putting it underneath, change horizontal speed by -1. Now this script of 26 blocks are done. So now it's staying on 10. Oh my god. What the? Oh, we have to set. Sorry, guys. I just made a mistake. We have to set. Now it is way better. Now I will just. Oh my god. Wait. That's 10 and 10. This is how to make smooth movement in Scratch. That's it for today, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next Scratch tutorials. Please like and subscribe so you can see way more tutorials. Bye bye.